Hey, digital investors, what's going on? Hope you guys are all having a great day. You guys know what we're about to do. We're going to go over the daily crypto news. If you're a frequent viewer of the show and you want to show some support, then make sure you tap the like button. It helps a ton for the YouTube algorithm to pick this out and show it to more people. It should be a little bit of a quicker video today. We're going to run through this as I am pretty busy. I hope you guys are going to have a great New Year's. And New Year's is always better when you're holding some crypto. With that said, guys, let's get into it. So remember, rat poison squared. That's what Warren Buffett said about Bitcoin. And now Bitcoin passes Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway by market cap. Bitcoin sees a fresh surge in trading activity as $30,000 nears and mainstream interest pours in. So we have Bitcoin's market cap being higher than Berkshire Hathaway. I mean, what a way to... We're not in the new year yet, but basically start off the new year, right? If we hold this past midnight, that's definitely a great way to start the new year. So, it's looking good, guys. Like I said, I'm very, very excited for 2021. That still hasn't changed. I'm bullish on the entire crypto space for 2021. And this is just really great to see. If we take a look at Google Trends for Bitcoin, as you guys may or may not know, this is basically just taking into account how many searches Bitcoin is getting, right? So in essence, it's trying to give you an idea of how many people are looking up Bitcoin. Is it gaining popularity, right? Is it trending is the main thing. That's what it's trying to look at. And as we can see, guys, recently Bitcoin has been picking up some speed. We are, as of right now, higher than we've ever been since our huge crash when we went from about $19,000 depending on where you're looking at down to our first major correction. We are back above since basically January 28th to February 3rd of 2018. So highest we've been in 2 years. Bitcoin is, we could say, it's pretty much trending again, right? It is starting to trend. We'll see how high this gets us, whether or not we tap out here like we did back in 2017 where we hit, let's see how high we got. We got it to a 100. So who knows if we'll get to 100? We could come up to 50 or 60. But nonetheless, guys, this is trending upwards, and that's really cool to see. We're also going to go over some Vechain stuff. So this basically is kind of like an overview of what Vechain has done for the recently. So it says Vechain puts huge effort in technological research and development. So what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to show you in this article what it states is, kind of like Vechain's top things that they've been doing recently. And I'll just go like bullet fire so you guys can just get this information real quick. So blockchain development company Vechain has seen increased adoption on its platform during this period. The company is looking to build on a healthy 2020 and hit the ground running in the new year. Vechain's recent business and operation exploits, which revealed the blockchain company's strength going forward. The company has spent the biggest part of their funding for the technological R&D sector that comes up to under $500,000, $495,000. Vechain also invested in the business development, spending $69,000. The company also highlighted the launch of Surface POA 2.0, better performance, uncompromised security, and a dual consensus model. An insight into a proposed consensus algorithm that will improve the blockchain security and performance. The Vechain Foundation also touched on new proposal VIP 201 feature. The company claimed that the feature would improve the speed and standards of on-chain transactions. In August, they announced a partnership with the top accounting and consulting firm Grant Thornton Cypress. Vechain also launched a BaaS blockchain as a service tool to provide companies in the food sector to improve on-chain safety management. Through the tool, companies can also gain access to third parties like DNVGL, Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and more to help them reduce costs like insurance, certification, and supply chain financial services. So, as we can see, guys, as we chug down through this, Vechain is doing a lot of things, right? It notably collaborated with the Mediterranean Hospital of Cyprus to develop the EHSIR app for storing CV19 test records. Vechain Thor blockchain received a 5-star rating from TUV Saarland. So that's basically what has been going on in the Vechain space for the past couple of months, right? That was a pretty good wrap up. And yeah, it really, when you can get everything like that in front of your face, you kind of remember, right? we all cover the daily news here every single day, but it's also very easy to forget, right? There's so much news that comes out that sometimes it's easy to forget just how much progress one project has made. And honestly, Vechain has made some of the best progress that I've seen out of a lot of these crypto projects. I think Vechain is just really killing it. It's definitely a strong project, and I know a lot of you guys are also bullish on it as well. So we have some great stuff for Vechain. If we also look at the Vechain Google Trends, we can see it's picking up some steam as well, right? Definitely people talking about it. Now let's move into some other stuff, some stuff that is not so bullish. So here we have Coinbase halts trading of XRP following the SEC suit against Ripple. Now, I've told you guys my opinion on this on so many videos, so I'm not going to reiterate it again. I'm sure you guys have heard it enough at this point, but not unexpected, right? In my last video, I was telling you guys I kind of wouldn't blame Coinbase if they did this. You know, if I was the CEO of Coinbase, I would probably do this as well. So yeah, they are halting the trading of XRP. If you have your XRP on Coinbase and this is your first time seeing this, you have some time to act. You can read the article, but yeah, here on January 19th, a full suspension will take place on January the 19th. So they are giving you quite a bit of time. I mean, in my opinion, that's over 20 days. So over 20 days, in my opinion, that's fair. That's very, very fair. And I'm happy with Coinbase and just halt it overnight. They're giving people plenty of time to, if you needed to get an offline wallet, a cold wallet, make a paper wallet, whatever it is, you definitely have enough time to do that. Now, we also have U.S. exchanges are suspending or delisting XRP left and right. These headlines are so fear-mongering, but Binance.us and eToro are the latest exchanges to discontinue XRP trading in America as Ripple faces the SEC's enforcement hammer. So keep in mind, guys, this is just for basically the U.S. exchanges, right? This is where all of the fear is basically taking place, because these other exchanges that are outside of the U.S. that aren't following, this whole security thing, XRP is going to be doing just fine there. However, for people in the U.S., this is really definitely negatively affecting them. We can expect Coinbase, Binance.us, and eToro to basically halt the trading of XRP. We also had this, which I thought was pretty insane. Angry customer sues Coinbase over XRP fees. And basically what this goes over is that someone was buying XRP through Coinbase. They said Coinbase should have known that they were selling a security. And they want Coinbase to, I guess, refund. They're suing them for the fees that Coinbase took. So, when you buy crypto on Coinbase, the way Coinbase makes its money is it captures a fee on that transaction. Well, I guess they're suing to get those fees back, the XRP fees back, I guess, which in my mind is just really insane, because at this point, we still don't know if XRP is a security, right? It's only the SEC is just alleging that XRP is a security. This almost reminds me of the 2017 case where that guy was suing Ripple, and it was that, it was all that drama. People were it was just a lot of FUD. It was used as massive FUD, and this almost seems like the same kind of thing, the same kind of mentality. And this is just the mentality that I don't understand, right? You have to know what you're buying before you buy it. You can't make an investment and not know what it is that you are investing into. We will see where this goes. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. At the same time, to expect Coinbase to know it's selling a security, I mean, at this point, these are all virtual currencies, right? Because if XRP is declared a security, then there are a lot of other crypto projects that are going to be declared a security as well. But anyways, guys, I don't want to hold up on this too long. Let's move on. We have our court date set with the SEC against Ripple Labs. The New York Southern District Court has set its first court date for the SEC a case against Ripple. All parties are directed to appear for an initial pretrial conference with Judge Annalisa Torres on February 22nd. Now, when I saw February 22nd, I was honestly pretty surprised. I thought that they were probably going to make us wait longer than that, but less than 2 months. I mean, yeah, that's longer than I'd like, but not bad, right? And I just want to get answers, right? I want to get this thing moving. I really want us to get regulatory clarity, right? I want Ripple to get that regulatory clarity, whether XRP is deemed deemed a security or not. We need this clarity. We need to know this so we can just move forward. So February 22nd, I will definitely take it. That's not too far long. I think that'll come quick enough. And yeah, I'm just happy it's not like a year out. So hopefully this whole thing moves fast, which we know in the legal system, things usually don't move fast, but hopefully this moves as fast as it possibly can. We also have Miami. Guys, this is so insane. Miami could become the first city in the US to allocate Treasury reserves into Bitcoin. I know this is absolutely mind-boggling. How is this even real life? Could you really imagine Miami converting Treasury reserves into Bitcoin? Well, they can. The mayor can. The Miami mayor, Francisco Suarez, says he's open to exploring the city would benefit from allocating a part of its Treasury reserves into Bitcoin. He says he is definitely open to exploring it. When asked whether Miami is also considering the possibility of accepting Bitcoin as a means for citizens to settle their bills within the city, the mayor said it is part of their plans for next year. So think about that, guys. They have it to be working on that you can pay your bills in Bitcoin in Miami. I mean, does that not sound like BS to you? Like if I met you in the street and I told you that, you'd probably be like, yeah, that guy's BS, and let me go Google and check that. I mean, I wouldn't believe that for a second, but here it is. This is insane, and this is all on Twitter. So this guy was making these tweets publicly on Twitter. I mean, anyone can go there and look. He says we are definitely going to be working on that in 2021. He says that is precisely where we want to be, on the vanguard of legislation that promotes crypto and makes us forward-leaning on innovation. We'll DM her, and DM her. He's talking about Caitlin Long, who is a Wall Street veteran and Bitcoin advocate, who was appointed to lead the Wyoming Blockchain Committee. In another tweet where he tagged Anthony Pomp, Suarez said he's also open to the idea of applying crypto-based concepts in the areas of voting, raising capital, and tokenizing the upside of the city. He said absolutely exploring that. Tokenizing the upside of the city. Guys, tokenized real estate. I know a lot of people can't wrap their minds around it, but that's coming. Tokenized real estate. I'm seeing the signs for it more and more. This is one of the craziest confirmations that I have ever seen. It would be absolutely insane to see Miami have, or a part of Miami or part of Florida or whatever, having tokenized real estate. That is mind-boggling. That's like something out of a movie. Your crypto prices for today. We have Bitcoin sitting at $28,700. Bitcoin is doing amazing things, right? Every other day we're making a new all-time high. So this is awesome. Awesome times for the crypto market. Absolutely. Ethereum at 740. XRP, XRP is the sad one for today, sitting at 21 cents. I think the only people happy about the XRP price right now are those people who didn't spend the last few years accumulating, really wanted to, and are now taking advantage of this low price. You have Litecoin at 124. Polkadot, wow, Polkadot up 71% on the 7-day at $8. That is pretty crazy. I think we just looked at Polkadot a couple days ago and it was like $4 or $5, I think. Bcash at 343. Cardano at 18 cents. Chainlink $11.32. Stellar at 12 cents. Stellar's on sale as well. Theta up on the 7-day 70% at 182. It looks like Theta might be going to break its all-time high once again. Theta has been on an absolute rip the past couple of days. Shout out to all of you guys who are holding Theta. Oh, remember that you can find all of my content on theta.tv. This video was uploaded first to theta.tv, so make sure you go check that out. You have Tezos at $2.01, and you have Vechain at 1.89 cents. Really good stuff today, guys. We have a mix, right? We have some of that XRP, SEC, Ripple stuff, which, I know a lot of you guys are disappointed about that. We're really just gonna have to continue to see how that unfolds. But some great stuff for Vechain, some great stuff for Bitcoin, the market cap being higher than Berkshire Hathaway, Miami converting into Treasury reserves. And like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, 2021 looks to be an extremely bullish year, and I'm just excited to be documenting the news with all of you, building this community. It's been amazing. Thank you guys for all the support. If you guys do enjoy the content, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. You'll be notified every single day that I make a video. I make a video like this daily. We go over Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space. But keep in mind, nothing we cover here is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just documenting the daily news in this crypto bull run, and that is it. Make sure you guys tap the like, and I'll see you all on the next one.